I've just finished steam bending the bow for this Williamsburg Dressing Glass. So it's just this bow part here, this shaped U. And I created a form and I cut 1/16 to 1/8 thickness pieces of mahogany. And I don't know how many are here. Actually, there's more than I need. I'll be able to back off on a couple of these thin strips, because this is 3/4 inch, will be 3/4 inch wide, and that will hold the mirror. I was surprised to read in the Williamsburg data that the original piece was actually done with slatted mahogany. The surface of this will finally be covered with mahogany veneer, so you won't see the individual slats. So I steam bent the material, the mahogany. These were, I forget how long they were. And I steam bent them for about 45 minutes. It was close to 220 degrees outside. It was a little raining and cool, but it worked. And I was able to get it clamped up. I used a nylon strap to pull this into shape. And then my wife helped me by clamping a couple places to hold it in place until I could get all the clamps and the cawls in place. So this will sit overnight and dry. Maybe I'll leave it a couple days to dry, because it's a humid time here in California. So then I need to create the top shape of this mirror. So this will be cut out of solid wood here, this top piece. Then I've got some miter joints, some difficult miter joints to work out, to connect that to the steam bent portion. So I'm glad this was worked out okay. I was thinking I was going to do it several different ways, piecing it together, or even just cutting it out whole in a whole piece, but Bob Stevenson kind of encouraged me. He did this piece and did it with individual slats like this. So I took his advice and went ahead and did it.